Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is photo shoot day for the enhancer and for my brand Enhanced Beauty. So today I am vlogging. Here's Miss Chloe. Chloe will be my videographer for the day, shooting the behind the scenes. Then you will be able to see the entire shoot all put together. I have like 3 models that will be tagging along for the shoot today. Actually, they are part of the shoot. We'll see you in a few. Okay, so now we are back. We are in the room getting these beauties together. I have one here and I have one here in the bowl. I have all of this to straighten, and then I have this going on, getting a little color. I'll see you all back in just a few. This is a lot of hair. Yes, look down, girl. And there go another one. All right. We are now here getting ready to shoot. I have my Enhanced Beauties with me. There's one coming up right here. Do y'all see that slayage right there in this frame? And come on, turn around, Kaylin. Let them see. Let them see you. Let them see you. And then check this one out. Come behind me. Look at that, look at that. Got my beauties with me.
I was standing in the middle. You stand right here. Take me with getting this in the back.
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Yeah, I was just saying it was something extra. Okay.
Oh no.
Play the song while I do my photo shoot.
Flex.
Snap a couple pics in the photo booth.
Hold up.
Bathroom pics, it's a photo shoot.
Pose, bitch.
I'm a bad, and I know it too.
I've been on. Tell me who gon' take me off. Take me off. Take me off.
Give me one more. Let me get one more. Sit down. Good and go.
How do you think you're doing overall?
Terrible.
You guys, comment down below if she's doing terrible.
That's not what I do.
Let me fix this hair.
We're trying to go with the wind.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm just gonna help you.
Wind shifted.